we're going to talk about remarketing. Now, remarketing, for those who listen, and if you do ads, you know exactly what remarketing is. I think it's probably one of the most effective campaign strategies that were launched within the past 15 years. The ability to continue the conversation going with visitors that have left your site to get them back on and to convert. What you should be thinking about is how you can remarket your organic traffic with ads. So many times PPC marketers are just focusing on remarketing from their paid ads, but you should also have a remarketing strategy from your organic, because generally speaking, organic is more of a mid and upper funnel play of getting that traffic to your website. So what I would recommend is a couple things: is segment your audiences across your website. Don't just have a one-size-fits-all approach, and make sure that the call to action from your ad aligns well with the intent. So for example, if you're an e-commerce shop and you're driving a lot of traffic to your product pages, have a call to action to buy now and give them a promo code, because that's where they are. They're researching products, they're ready to buy. Maybe there's a holiday coming up. But if a lot of organic traffic is coming from more informational pages or educational pages, maybe they're not ready to buy now. They're just still researching. In that case, maybe your call to action would be to subscribe to your newsletter to learn more, or take them to another page that gets them a little bit closer to purchase. And making sure just having relevant ads for each audience is so incredibly important. As part of your remarketing strategy, don't forget YouTube. For anyone who has a YouTube channel, be mindful that you can remarket off this audience, and this is really big and helpful. So what you can do within Google Ads is link your Google Ads account to your Creator Studio and YouTube, and then you can actually create ads that will target anyone who's viewed videos from your channel or even subscribe. And that call to action should align with whatever the intent is. Maybe get them back onto your channel to watch more videos, maybe it's to subscribe, or maybe it's then to migrate them from YouTube and then go over to your site. But a lot of marketers totally miss this. They don't think that it's easy to connect those two together, and all the great organic views that you're achieving on YouTube can definitely benefit from some paid ads and make the most out of it.